Hello everyone, welcome to the video of Orders API Best Practices. In this video, I'll guide you through different ways to retrieve up-to-date orders data for SP API developers in an efficient and scalable way. Get latest orders data offers numerous benefits to sellers. It ensures accurate fulfillment, allowing timely processing and shipping. It enables effective inventory management, preventing overselling and stockouts. It's also crucial for precise financial tracking, including proper accounting, revenue recognition, and financial reporting. It can also provide valuable business insights. Orders data allow sellers to analyze sales trends, customer behavior, and product performance, informing business decisions and strategies. There are three primary methods to obtain order data updates. First, we have the Get Orders and Get Order Items API calls. Second, there's the order change notification. And third, we have orders reports. Each method has its strengths and is suited to different scenarios. In the end of this presentation, we will also talk about an example to combine these three methods to maintain your latest order list. Now let's examine each in more detail. One way of acquiring latest order update is to call Get Orders and Get Order Items APIs iteratively. This method is best suited for sellers processing fewer than 20,000 orders daily. It provides complete order information including fulfillment info, shipping info, payment info, etc. It is synchronous and instant responses. However, it's subject to rate limits and a dynamic usage plan. What you can see in our developer doc is the Get Orders API has a rate limit of 1 request per minute with a burst of 20, while Get Order Items is limited to 0.5 requests per second with a burst of 30. This usage plan is the lowest limit. Behind the scene, we have multiple tiers. Your usage plan will be automatically adjusted based on your current and historical business needs. So your rate limit can increase if we believe you need more rate limit after evaluation. Please note that rates do not dynamically increase because an application makes API requests more frequently. We also have an official guidance in our developer doc to optimize your calls to avoid throttling errors. Please see description for more details. Here is the flowchart and code snippet about how you can use these two APIs. When calling Get Orders, you need to specify last updated after time. This will allow you to get the order updates from the time you specify until 2 minutes ago. After getting the order list, you can extract the order IDs and acquire order items information for each ID asynchronously. If you are calling these APIs too frequently, for example, your order quantities is large and you have to do pagination calls iteratively, which is breaching our rate limit, you are likely to get 429 throttling errors. Here we recommend 3 ways to handle the errors. First, to avoid 429 errors, you can implement a rate limiter. Here is a snippet of how you can set up a rate limiter. This rate limiter interface is also embedded in our Selling Partner API Authentication/Authorization library. Rate Limit Permit in Rate Limit Configuration set the rate at which requests are made, where wait timeout in milliseconds set up a pause between calls. Second, implement a retry mechanism is a way to handle 429 errors. Here is a code snippet of using Apache HTTP Client Library which has built-in retry functionality. You can set max retry count, exponential backoff to control your flows. Third, there is also a way to monitor API activity against your rate limit. We have a response header called XAMZ rate limit, which can show your current rate limit. It's especially useful for Orders API who has dynamic usage plan. For sellers handling over 20,000 orders daily or during peak events, we recommend the order change notification. This push model eliminates throttling issues but requires an AWS SQS service subscription. While it provides key information on order updates, SQS message does not contain full information about orders and order items. For example, it does not contain order item titles, price and payment information. You may need additional API calls for complete details. Be aware that during high traffic periods, there could be delays of up to 2 minutes in notifications. To utilize order change notification, you'll need to create an AWS SQS queue for your seller and subscribe to order change notification with order status change and buyer requested change. After receive notification message, you can process the notification to extract order and order items info to fulfill your order list. Right side is a code snippet about how you can process notification while receiving the SQS message. And here is an example payload. Here you can see order IDs, order items, order status, and so on. Orders reports are ideal for less time-sensitive data needs. There are two types available: flat file and XML formats. These reports contain comprehensive order and item information, and can provide updates for orders up to 30 days old. While this method has higher latency compared to the others, it's excellent for tasks like monthly trend analysis or as a supplement to other methods. Here is a flow diagram and code snippet about how to acquire the orders report. The basic steps are create report report document, and download the report. You can specify the report type, data start time, and date end time in create report specification. Here we took the flat file orders report as an example, and the date we selected is last updated from December 1st, 2024 till December 30th, 2024. There are required columns which you can get for sure from these reports, such as order ID, order item ID, purchase date, and so on. If you would like to have additional data, from Seller Central, you can configure optional columns. Here is how you can do this. From menu, select Orders, then select Order Reports, click Add or Remove Order Report Columns. Then you will see Required Columns and Optional Columns. Optional columns offer you to add information such as ship service name, ship dates, number of items, order channel, and so on. For large sellers processing hundreds to thousands of orders per minute, we recommend a combined approach. By strategically using API calls, notifications, and reports together, you can ensure you're getting the latest updates with complete information. This strategy allows for low latency and high accuracy while avoiding API rate limit issues. The key is to tailor the combination to your specific use case. This diagram is one way of combining the orders API, order change notification, and the report. What you can do is call get orders every 15 to 30 minutes, subscribe to order change notification, get all orders data report for 1 day period at the end of every day as a guardrail. In conclusion, the method you choose should align with your business scenario and needs. For optimal results, consider combining methods, especially for high-volume sellers. Rest assured, our SP API teams are continuously working to optimize the orders API, aiming for improved accuracy, efficiency, and user-friendliness. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this information helps you maintain the most up-to-date order data for your business.